Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I'm sorry about the hiatus. As you guys know, we were in the middle of moving when I posted the last video, and then afterwards we started prepping for a trip that we went on, and I was gonna work on some more vlogs so that I can post for you guys while I was over there, but I took the opportunity to just kind of step back, relax, enjoy the vacation, and I figured I'll just get back to it when I'm back at the apartment. And then we got back and found pretty much everything still packed up and not settled where they need to go. And unfortunately, I would say a good amount of our stuff is still like that. And it needs to not be, because we will be hosting Friendsgiving next week. And this apartment's not ready at all. So we are in the middle of unpacking everything, get everything sorted. And yeah, I do have some time this week, surprisingly, to post the next portion of the vlog. And if you guys remember correctly, or if you guys remember or go back to the last video that I posted, it is the part 1 of our upstate New York trip. So I hope you guys enjoy this next part, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for waiting, and thanks for your patience, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. After eating, we went back to the hotel. We rested a little bit, we got changed. But as you can see, we have flowers. Amy's running a card. That's because we're actually here to support a friend who's opening a ballroom studio. So this is James, our friend who decided to open his own studio again. And this is our other friend Alicia, who is opening a studio with him. Together, they opened Lilac Dance Center. Now, this is one of the biggest floor spaces that I've ever been in, and I'm pretty sure it's one of the biggest, if not the biggest, in the state of New York, so that's crazy. Here are their hours and their location if you're in the area and are interested in going. Check it out. Now back to the rest of the vlog. Almost on the plants. It's for the flowers. I was like, wait a second, what's this word? MSG. So long. Yeah. Finishing strong, listen. Yeah, you're not finishing strong. You gotta do better. Getting engaged. Hey. You're engaged to. You're engaged to the studio. Yeah. I'm not getting married, bro. Well, now you can retire. So congrats on your. Thanks, guys. Another baby. It's your studio. It's your studio. I'll put this one out. The other one was easy. This one. You have two babies. Yeah. The first one's the easiest. Yeah.
I'm surprised you're keeping the other one.
I'm turning into a STEM education center, so it'll be different. Hopefully that will generate more money than this one. Oh, look at only one heart, bro. I think only one person, right? What? Only one person wrote the heart. Yeah, I know. You're lucky one person loves you. That's it. I don't think I can also mean overtime. Wow. So pro.
And you can go on your left foot again to start. Back, back.
Alright. Woo! Oh shit. Alright, we gotta leave the camera.
Come back.
The smells.
Okay. You know what?
Jeff is just gonna be heavily in the vlogs. It's fine. Alright. Done opening. Yay! Woo! They're busy talking about K-pop.
What else is new?
Amy's over there dancing. What else is new? Yeah, you're right. Look at this guy opening his own studio. Again.
I know what you're talking about. Second one.
What the name is?
Oh yeah.
And the address?
Do your like.
Hey, Lilac Dance Center. Yo, Johan's favorite place to be.
Yeah, actually, this is where I train. This is like.
Yeah.
I commute every day from California.
Isn't like way better than
He's my teacher. I fly out from California every day to go to the studio, except Saturday, Sunday because they're closed.
You're right. Yes. Monday through Friday.
All right, they have a brilliant idea. Hold on. We'll take one. All right, they have a brilliant idea for the vlogs. All right, you want to say?
Right.
Wait, hold on. We messed up. All right, ready?
Amy.
Okay, take three. All right. He has a good idea for the vlogs.
Hey, what is it?
Jeff will be taking multiple takes for Johan.
Whoa, that's not true.
Would you say you were hitting the other station? One of the largest unobstructed dance floors in the city.
Like something beyond tutoring? What does that mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I've done a lot of workshops and